Natural remedies for everyday ailments. Welcome to our journey into the world of natural remedies and traditional nuskas, where we'll uncover the healing power of nature and understand the science behind these time-tested remedies. 1. Soothing a sore throat. A steaming cup of ginger tea with honey and lemon. A sore throat can be a real pain, literally. But before reaching for over-the-counter medications, try this natural remedy: a warm cup of ginger tea with honey and lemon. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce throat inflammation, while honey's antimicrobial effects combat infection. Lemon's vitamin C boosts immunity, aiding recovery. 2. Easing a cough. A nagging cough can disrupt your day and your sleep. A traditional nuska, steam inhalation, can provide relief. The warm, moist air helps loosen mucus, making it easier to expel. Adding essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint can further open airways and soothe irritation. 3. Calming an upset stomach. An upset stomach can throw your whole system off balance. A gentle cup of peppermint tea can help restore harmony. Peppermint's menthol relaxes stomach muscles, easing cramps and nausea. Ginger tea can also be effective, thanks to its antiemetic properties. 4. Taming headaches. Headaches can be a real headache, but a cool compress can bring much-needed relief. The cold constricts blood vessels, reducing inflammation and pain. Additionally, massaging essential oils like lavender or peppermint on the sides of your forehead can also help you feel better. 5. Promoting restful sleep. A warm glass of milk with nutmeg, healthylifestyle. A good night's sleep is essential for overall well-being. A traditional nuska, warm milk with nutmeg, can promote restful sleep. Milk's tryptophan, an amino acid, helps induce sleep, while nutmeg's calming properties promote relaxation. Natural remedies and traditional nuskas offer a holistic approach to health, harnessing nature's healing power. By understanding the science behind these remedies, we can make informed choices for our well-being, embracing the wisdom of the past while embracing modern knowledge. Embrace nature's healing power. Remember, natural remedies and traditional nuskas can be powerful allies in your quest for health and well-being.